Law of cosine. Okay, so today, guys, we'll be talking to you about
Lorraine will be teaching you the cosine law.
Why'd you do that?
So they know who's going to be teaching you. Okay, so basically in cosine law we have two equations that we will use for when we're finding for sides and when we're finding for angles. So basically, cosine law can be used in any triangle to relate all three sides to one angle. If you need to find the length of a side, you need to know the other two sides and the opposite angle. The version we will use in this case is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a.
Okay, and the example we'll be using is for triangle A, B, and C. So step 1, we're going to start by writing out the cosine rule for the sides. Sides B and sides C. So the equation we'll use is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Step 2, we fill in the values given and the unknown length. So the unknown length is x squared, and the unknown angles are 22 and 28. So we're going to substitute them for b and c. So the equation will be 22 squared plus 28 squared minus 2 times 22 times 28 cos 97. Note for when you're plugging in cos, you're going to get a decimal, so you always round to the fourth decimal place. Step 3, we have to evaluate the right hand side and then square the root to find the length. So, therefore you have x squared equals 28 squared minus 2 times 22 times 28 cos 97. Here is where we evaluate the right side only. So we didn't finish the equation, but we're just showing you how to do it. The next step is x squared equals 1,418, 143, ... because that's what's next. So for this part, all you do is you square both sides, and the answer to x will be 37.7.